Here the given problem is solve integral 0 to pi integral 0 to a cos theta dr d theta. Okay. Now you observe the integrand is here, they are not given anything, nothing but you can treat directly. The integrand is dr d theta, you can write 1 into dr d theta. Yes or no? So this is integral from 0 to a integral 0 to pi integral 0 to a cos theta into 1 into dr d theta. Now you observe, we are by the observation you can say this is in polar coordinates, nothing but this is in a function of r comma theta. Now we have to integrate with respect to r and theta, but you have to think first we have to integrate with respect to r or else theta. Which one? How you can say means two types. Here you see, if they are not given anything limits, first case directly this is the limit for r, next this is the limit for theta. By the observation we can say because it is a 0 to pi angle, so this will be theta. Otherwise second case how you can say means, here you see r comma theta, we need to find out the limits of r and theta. So you have to guess this is r or theta. How you can guess means, you see now here you have a lower limit is 0, upper limit is a cos theta. So this is a function of theta, so it is round up, it is a function of theta. Then obviously is the by the observation what you can say means, this is r is in terms of theta. So it is a function of theta is nothing but theta limit should not be theta. You can't say x is from 0 to x, but you can say x is from 0 to y, you can say. Yes or no? So similarly r is a function of theta. So this is limit for r, and obviously the remaining is theta limits. So first we have to integrate with respect to what? R only, because r is dependent on theta. So now limits from 0 to pi, one integration with respect to r is r, limits from 0 to a into cos theta d theta. Now 0 to pi, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit what you have actually, a into cos theta minus 0 into d theta. So a is a constant, this value you will have a cos theta only in the integrand. So a outside, integral 0 to pi cos theta d theta. Now a is a, cos theta integration is only sin theta, cos theta derivative minus sin theta, but cos theta integration is sin theta. Limits from 0 to pi. If you are substituted upper limit, a sin pi minus sin 0. Sin pi is how much? 0. Minus sin 0 is also 0. So a into 0 is 0. So we got the integral value is 0. So that is, we can say integral 0 to pi integral 0 to a cos theta dr d theta value is 0. Okay.